Hi guys, Chicken here with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is Indonesian soup. We call it Soto Ayam. This is my oldest favorite soup, and it is perfect for these cold days. In Indonesia we normally serve it with rice, but sometimes also with a combo of noodle like vermicelli or glass noodle. But you can even as is without rice or noodle and just with a lot of shredded cabbage. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! You can add boiled eggs to your soup, so we're gonna have hard boiled eggs. We're gonna boil some eggs. Place 250 grams of skinless, boneless chicken in a pot and fill water almost halfway. You can use chicken with bone and skin, but I like this better. In Indonesia, once we boil the chicken with egg and with the skin and bone, we take them off once it's boiled and we're gonna fry the chicken. But this way, I have chicken broth, but also I don't have to fry. I'm so lazy. But right now we're gonna boil it and we're gonna remove the scum before we add some spices. Like this, you want to remove the scum. Now drop in 1 bruised lemongrass, 4 to 5 kaffir lime leaves, and about 7 to 8 cloves. And we're gonna make a paste of half of a small onion with 5 candle nuts. This is 2 tablespoons grapeseed oil with 1/4 teaspoon, no, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Our onion and candle nuts with a little water. We're just gonna fry it a bit. Now we're gonna dump these spices into our pot. And bring back to boil and season it with salt, white pepper, a little sugar, or MSG if you're using. You can also substitute all of those with vegeta powder if you have, or roiko and masako in Indonesia. Take out chicken and shred them with using 2 forks. And peel your egg and halve it. And sprinkle with fried onion. And if you have Asian celery, you want to use that too, or green onion. But I don't have any of those, so just with chives. Now we're gonna pour the soup and serve it immediately. If you have cabbages or bean sprout, that would be nice as well. Sometimes in Indonesia we also use noodles and potato cakes, which we call perkedel. Indonesians also like their soto or soup with sweet soy sauce and plus chili sauce, but these are for my boys, so I don't make the chili sauce for today, but you can also use sriracha. This is what mine looks like with a lot of bean sprouts and chili sauce. I love it like this, with also lemon juice and sweet soy sauce.